Welcome back to the Fit Girl, Fat Boy YouTube channel. So glad that you're joining me for this delicious sweet potato casserole. Y'all, this is dairy-free, vegan-free, paleo, grain-free, and there's like no sugar in it. This is all natural. It's quick, it's easy. You can make it ahead of time if you want. Before you have people over, you bring it to somebody's house, and you can store part of it in the fridge and then top it with the toppings later. You can make it the day of, you can make it 2 days ahead of time. So first things first, make sure that you start your potatoes ahead of time because we're gonna bake your potatoes for an hour to an hour and a half in the oven and then let them cool. So here's how you do that. So easy, right? Just mix it up, and if you taste it, I won't tell anybody, and it's really good. So just go ahead, put that in your 9x9 dish. We're going to top this with 1 cup of chopped pecans. So remember, you can take this batter without putting the pecans on it and refrigerate it, and then put the pecans on it later the next day if you're having company for the next day. So feel free to make this the day ahead, or you can bake it like this with the pecans on it and still put it in the fridge and it'll be great the next day. So 1 cup, make sure that's even. Okay, then put it in the oven, 375 for 25 to 30 minutes.